Welcome back to the fun ZLINE Kitchen. We're here to celebrate. One of the things I love about working with this company is that they know how to have a great time. And for me, I'm always trying to push the limits. I'm not sure if you've seen it, but we tried to build a champagne tower here with uneven glasses. There it is. Woo! Champagne. Take two. Operator error, thinking that me, could create this with uneven glasses. So in the meantime, what I really want to show you about is we're hell-bent. We're definitely going to get ourselves some champagne today. So let me show you what the idea here is. And if we can get some nice even glasses, or you go ahead and buy that, is really what you're trying to do is create this little area, okay, where one champagne glass fits in this little diamond spot here, okay? And you can build a very small, unimpressive, but stable tower. So the idea would be is you take this here, you're gonna slowly pour your champagne to impress your guests. Okay, and here's you start to see if the tower's not necessarily flowing the way you want it to flow, you can still make the whole entire thing happen. Does it make a mess? Yes. Does it add to your holiday experience to have something kind of fun going on? Absolutely. And I know that at ZLINE, we want to wish all our customers and fans an absolutely beautiful new year. And we want to press you, we want to impose upon you to go ahead and try new things. Try new things. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Have a good time doing it. Own them as you see fit. Don't forget about the baby up front right here. All right. Go find yourself some really well-made coupe glasses that are absolutely even. And you too at home can build a champagne tower that you don't have to break them for. So we want to wish you a very happy new year. We want to wish you all the success, all your dreams, all your cooking dreams come true. The attainable luxury that we have here is absolutely can be yours. 2022 is your year, and we're excited to cook with you all year long. Cheers.